So, this is us.
We are scientists and science communicators.
As humans, we care about our and the planet's health.
As academics, we want to be as scientific about communicating science as we are about science itself.
And this is why we need the Munich Science Communication Lab.
This is a new experience.
Okay, let's go.
Let's take a journey to the future. It's 2030. We are looking back on the impact the Munich Science Communication Lab has had. New kinds of collaborations have emerged between practitioners, researchers and science communication experts.
We communicated the links between human health and environmental crises.
We explored new territories in science communication and evaluated our approaches.
We supported evidence-based responses to the planetary health emergency through the mutual benefits model of science communication.
We work with the public to co-create our science communication outputs. This has benefited the field of science communication research and it has benefited society.
Just like you, I am a human being. I am also a doctor. And I know that the health of humans depends on the vitality of our planet. But the current climate and other environmental crises threaten both. And we're now at a turning point for our planet's health, for our health.
Human activities are driving zoonotic pandemics, climate crises, the biodiversity crash, air pollution. All of these pose an existential threat to human health and well-being. To secure a habitable planet for the future, we need to take on all of these interconnected challenges and talk about planetary health.
Planetary health shows the inextricable link between human health and the state of the natural environment on our planet. Currently, we are in a planetary health emergency.
Effective communication about these complex issues is urgently required. Research about communication of wicked problems, such as the climate crisis, can be part of the solution.
Everyone's affected, but the solutions do not only concern individual behavior change. We want to encourage people to focus on systemic changes when facing planetary health challenges. For example, how can we change our food systems to be more sustainable and healthy?
Planetary health raises specific challenges for science communication, requiring us to effectively communicate about complex systems and wicked problems rather than providing quick fixes. This means we need a radically new collaborative approach between different disciplines.
An approach that we are ready to take on with the Munich Science Communication Lab.
Currently, there is no center in the world dedicated to researching communication in the essential emerging area of planetary health. So we are building one in Munich.
Here, we will design, implement and evaluate communication strategies and practices in relation to planetary health. That means bringing together scientists and planetary health scholars, science communication practitioners and science communication researchers.
Because it concerns urgent and wicked issues, the field of planetary health is fertile ground on which to revise current science communication models.
We want to create a space where everyone can talk to each other on an eye level.
Interaction, co-creation. This is what we're looking for. This is what we stand for.
If anything, our recent experiences with the corona pandemic has demonstrated that when human health is at stake, people are willing to cooperate. Large-scale societal behavior change and political commitment are possible, but the corona crisis has also been a powerful demonstration of the challenges for science communication. Similar challenges arise from the planetary health emergency. But we know science is clear and we have to act.
When we communicate on planetary health issues, we need more than facts and figures. We need to understand people's emotions in order to build up trust. So we also need to listen.
We need to effectively communicate the links between planetary and personal health. New narratives on personal and societal change are essential to safeguard planetary habitability and human health.
Munich has a unique opportunity to develop a transdisciplinary science communication lab. Already involved are LMU, Helmholtz-Zentrum München, Deutsches Museum, Biotopia, MediaSchool, as well as international partners. And we are open for growth.
Step 1. Twice annually, the MSCL will host consortium workshops with everyone involved for future experiments in the lab. We already kicked them off in February 2021. Even a pandemic can't hold us back.
Step 2. We will identify a transdisciplinary group of experts as a jury for each chosen topic.
Step 3. An open call for science communication experiments is launched and promoted through our consortium.
Step 4. A jury will select the most exciting and ambitious proposals, whether online projects, museum exhibits, dialogue events, or workshops.
Step 5. We will implement the experiments with our partners.
Finally, we'll review, evaluate, and publish.
Key questions and areas of research for the Munich Science Communication Lab will be how planetary health works as a storytelling framework in science communication, how emotions and identities contribute to shaping public views on planetary health, how planetary health can be linked to existing narratives on health and societal change, and help develop new narratives that work for different social groups and cultural contexts.
We should be as scientific about communication as we are about the science we are communicating. Instead of preaching to the converted, we want to find effective ways of communicating planetary health to all stakeholders. And that means
learning lessons from on-site experiments with a strong focus on evaluation.
Engaging with the public face-to-face, as well as via social networks and media outlets.
Empowering scientists and science communicators by providing useful tools and developing mutual benefit mindsets.
Working together with NGOs and activists promoting planetary health.
Effectively addressing policymakers on a regional, national, and global level.
Sharing our passion for planetary health as much as our passion for dialogue, interaction, and co-creation.
We will leverage major government investments in establishing Biotopia as a new life sciences museum and in the renovation of Deutsches Museum. This is an opportunity for us to shape these new and renewed institutions. We will integrate our findings in our renowned programs for educating journalists. LMU already called a new chair in health communication and will establish a new professorship climate change communication in geography.
The Munich Science Communication Lab will serve as a lightning rod for discussions and debates. We will be the interface between research, science communication theory, and practice.
We will stimulate new transdisciplinary collaborations and directly impact science communication practice.
So, back to the future. It's 2030. The world is different. The Munich Science Communication Lab is a vibrant hub for experimentation in science communication.
And the MSCL is being approached to expand its focus and investigate further wicked problems from the science communication perspective.